Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2014 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: headlights auto off, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, bucket seats, leather seats, power driver seat, rear defrost, CD player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.